Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today in this lecture we are going to learn about the projection of line, and in this particular session we are going to study about a line parallel to both HP and VP. So this is the problem statement in front of you. I am reading for you. A line AB 125-meter long parallel to both HP and VP is 75 mm above HP and 100 mm in front of VP. Draw the projection. So what we need to do, we need to first draw the XY reference plane, right? So I am drawing here the XY reference plane, right? And here basically what it says, this line AB is 75 mm above HP. That means it is in the front view, it will be 75 mm above XY, and 100 mm in front of VP means in the top view it will be 100 mm below XY, right? So we will write down the text first, right, by the text command, right? So here I need to write down, okay, specify height, that is 0.2, and the rotation angle is 0, right? So this is basically my XY reference plane. So every time you need to repeat this, then only your ideas will be clear. So this is VP, and VP we always draw front view. This is HP, right, and in the HP we always draw top view. And here you need to write down your name, that is Dr. Sangharatna, right? So roll number and section. So here I'm writing GHRC now, right? Now, so what I need to do first, I need to draw one horizontal line. So just press escape, right? So the line AB, so the name of the line is AB, which is 125 mm long, right? So first of all I will draw its front view. So front view will be in the VP, which is 75 mm above HP, means 75 mm above XY. So how I'm going to select the points then? So this is the first point I'm going to select, right? So from here reference line I'm drawing, this is 1 spacing, 2 spacing, 3 spacing, right? So this is 75 mm, so I'm pointing out, right? So from this particular point I'm going to draw one horizontal line which is 125 mm long. So 125 mm long means from this particular points I need to select 5 spacing, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, right? And 5. So this is basically my line AB, right? So which is 125 mm long, right? So here again for your reference I am selecting another point, right? So this is line AB, okay? So this is basically 125 mm long. So let's check the dimensions, okay? So please select here, okay, and then here, so you can see this is basically 1.25 auto CAD unit, that is 125 mm, right? So from here now I need to draw the projections. So I am drawing the projections here, okay. Again from this particular line I am drawing the projection, okay, and basically escape. So here basically you can delete this, right? So another line which is 100 mm in front of EP, 100 mm in front of EP, once you are looking from the top view it will be on the HP, right, and below XY, 100 mm below XY. So again I am selecting another point, right, which is 100 mm below XY. So 1 spacing, 2 spacing, 3 spacing, 4 spacing. So here it will be my point, right? Sorry. 1 spacing, 2 spacing, 3 spacing, 4 spacing, right? From here 1 spacing, 2 spacing, 3 spacing, 4 spacing. So this is my point which is 100 mm below XY, right? So from here again I am going to draw one horizontal line, okay, and which will intersect this particular projections, right? So here I am getting another point at this particular interface, okay. So let us check the dimensions whether these are dimensions are correct or not. So from the reference line from this particular point, this is 0.75 AutoCAD unit, right? From here again a line, okay, from this particular point and from this particular point, this is one AutoCAD, that is 100 mm in front of it, right? So as usual, we need to convert all the projections as well as dimensions in the cyan color, right? So here I am converting into cyan color. So you can see now I need to give the naming because the line AB it is saying. Okay, so what I am doing, the text. Okay, so here I need to write down the name. Okay, height will be 0.2 and the rotation angle will be 0. So you can see. So here I am writing A dash because in the front you will get dash, and this is B dash, right? Here it will be top view, so simply A and B, right? So this is basically student the projection of line basically which is parallel to both HP and AP. So I hope you will like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.